I'm Elizabeth. We haven't seen us for a while because we've been travelling. My family and I went to Queensland and enjoyed the sunshine there. But I do say for the parts that we travelled to on the Gold Coast and went to Mount Tamborine, that we got to see a lot of variety of dry and green. Now, contrast to my nice green garden. And I did enjoy my time there, but I love being here. And so I've been shopping, and so I will share with you what I bought. I've got a daisy. I've got 3 plants that I want to put along this garden. So this particular one is called Agaranthium, if I'm saying it properly. And this one is, for what there is of a flower, you can see there is a little bit of red in there, so that'll be really nice. I've got 3 of those. So before I really get into digging, I'm going to lay out where I want my daisies to go. In the late spring, summer, this does fill up with all the salvias in the background, pushed a little bit forward, but I believe I have enough room for these so I can go really colourful and thick. And some daisies will be flowering in the end of winter, and maybe some in spring. So I've got 2 Ostomeriums. I only bought 2 because they're going to spread really well in this garden. And I have had these before, but somehow this one happened to die. But so I bought it again, and this one I will put in here. Oh, hello, Pepper. You want to cuddle? Come here, come here. Come Baba into the picture. Well, in this garden bed, I wish to do some transplanting. I have Rebecca. It's what's it called? Black-eyed Susan. So in the summertime, it's all yellow under here. Now I'm going to leave the ones on the outside, and I'm going to put geums into the middle. And so Black-eyed Susan isn't in flower, I have a little bit of red in the middle. And the good thing with geums are they do multiply, and the Black-eyed Susan does as well with me. He loves it when I'm outside, don't you, Pepper? And he's sniffing all my plants, aren't you? And so I'll just show you what I can. Let's see, I'll get one of those. You can see the flower. today is a nice sunny day and I thought I would come in here. I had bought 2 punnets of geraniums and they are small at the moment, so I thought I would repot them. These will turn out to be really nice in time, but they're really small in the punnet and I feel they need to go a little bit longer before I actually put them in the garden. And so I have made up here a mix of potting mix and vermiculite. Now that they're in their pots, I'll allow them to grow a little bit bigger and then I'll be happy to put them in the garden.